so we wanted some recommendations for our shorts to get viral. So
She wants recommendations.
well, yeah.
I'm
but-
just her friend.
Well, just let us know in the comments. But for now, I'll be posting regularly, whatever like I feel like. So yeah,
But please help us.
yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Hi guys. So we just wanted some recommendations. No, it was good until you looked.
Recommendation. Okay, wait. No, we're cutting this hair. Okay, ready? Fix your hair. Do it.
Okay.
Hi guys.
So
Today we're asking for recommendations on how to make a viral video.
Wait. Hi guys. Oh my god.
No. We're gonna cut this part out.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys.
Wait, I have to fix my thing.
I'm gonna cut this part out.
Okay.
Wait.
So
Fix your hair.
So
wait. I got this. I'll just talk. Hi.
Hi guys.
Wait. Restart. Don't pause it. Okay, how about we say hi together?
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hi. So we wanted some
Recommendation.
Recommendation.
Yeah.
Recommendations.
Okay.
Okay. Hi guys. So we just wanted some Hi guys. So we just wanted some